Hello everyone, I Bhavna Verma welcome you on your own YouTube channel Let's Learn Together. Before we begin with the video, I have several questions for you to answer. The first and the foremost question which I have that is, do you also want to be a good English speaker? Have you also thought to speak English with confidence? But when it comes to speak English, you get underconfident, you start shaking, you get blackout, you do not have words to speak, and you get nervous? If yes, then it's normal. And it is not only you who feel the same. There are multiple people who are suffering from the same no same problem. And the reason is English is not our native language. It is not in our blood. We have to learn, we have to understand it. We have to get the atmosphere of speaking English. So this video is going to help you a lot in this manner. I am going to share you some of the tips and tricks by which you can understand and speak English better. Because it is not the case of one day. You have to take several steps. You have to give yourself time so that you can understand and speak English confidently. Before we begin, I just want to share one small example of my own life. No, when I was learning English, I was very nervous. I was also actually shaking. My legs were shivering when I was asked to speak English. But I followed the same tips which I'm going to tell you. And now you can see the difference which I have got in myself. Yes. So the first tip which you can use, which you can utilize in your life is to listen. No, we being an Indian, we have a very good taste in music, and we are very habitual of listening to songs or some other things. Here you can make some change, a bit change. Instead of listening to Hindi songs, you can go to the English songs. Either you can listen to the English songs or you can watch English movies. That will also help you get habitual of English. Your ears will get habitual. The second tip is start reading. Reading will help your mind understand the what is the context. How can you make, how can you frame sentences? For this, either you can buy any book, any novel, you can start reading your own syllabus book, that's also up to you. Or if you wish, you can watch movies that will help you twice in in multi manner. First, your ears will get habitual what you are listening to, and if you turn on the subtitle option, you will read them. With this, your mind will gain the understanding of English sentences. The third tip which I used is familiarize yourself with English atmosphere. I know it is a bit difficult, but if you search, there are multiple websites which will help you get atmosphere of speaking English. So this will help you again. In short, the more you will make yourself habitual to English, the more you understand and learn to speak English better. There are several more tips which can help you, but these can be used at the later stage where you get habitual. Once you get habitual to understand English, there you can use those tips. I hope you liked the video. These were the several tips which you can use. Even I used on myself, and these actually helped me a lot. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. I'll come again with more tips and techniques to improve your English. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.